how to buy streaming to 50 million tokens. So this token came under the symbol of 50. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener and it's created by 17 hours ago. It's increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's many investment in the safe place. It's trending number 18 in the screener. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it's under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to relax it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issue came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy 50 token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.